Have you ever wondered why your dog acts like it's the best day of his life every single time you walk through the door? Psychology says dogs don't understand time the way humans do. To them, every moment you're gone feels like forever. When you leave, his brain releases cortisol, the stress hormone. He feels uncertainty, like a child lost in a crowd. But the second he hears your footsteps, something incredible happens. His brain floods with oxytocin and dopamine, the same chemicals humans feel when they hug someone they love. That's why he runs, jumps, spins, and can't stop wagging his tail. It's not just happiness, it's relief, it's love and motion. Because in his mind, you didn't just come home, you came back. And to him, that means everything. So next time he greets you like that, don't brush it off. Get down, look him in the eyes, and remind him, you're always coming back. Deep 3-Point Red Heart.